Alright, it's about that time. We're going to throw another video real quick. I'm going to throw the demonstration. I just got these dual black horse mufflers on this thing. I got them run underneath there and then just dumped out right here for now. I'm going to cut these off a little bit further, put a couple tips on there, leave it at that. I used to have them coming out, true duals coming out of the back here, but change is always good. This is inspired by my son, the way he ran his exhaust. Once I heard his, I had to get it. These are very deep lows. I'll give it a start and let you listen. Get this SS fired up. Uncle Si would say throw some fire on that grill. This is not a cold start. It might be a low enhance. I'm at the car wash, but I'm gonna spray the truck off, get the last little bit of salt. You gotta get the shit off of there. I do some revs for you, but I'll do that soon enough. I can't. I don't have my tripod for the phone on me, so sounds great in person. We'll see how it sounds on the TV. But I put them lights on there a long time ago. Look, I've got two crooks ready to roll. Yeah, we'll see how this comes out on video. But definitely just have, if you got an SS or a dual exhaust, I definitely would suggest those Black Horse mufflers, Amazon. $60 for the both of them, come on. But in person, they sound really low at idle. Fantastic when you're doing 80, and got that low gurgle. So when you're cruising down the road, even just barely on the gas, it'll get some attention. It's plenty loud under throttle, but I didn't want that at idle. This is plenty for me. Like I said, my son's got them on his black SS. They sound fantastic. I had to have them. Shout out to him, because I tried to tell him, oh, I'll put them out of the back. He put them right there. I heard it. I had to do the same. All right, another video coming soon. Thanks for watching. Share, like, comment, subscribe. Peace.